Thank you for coming to our channel. I invite you to make this card with me. I'm going to use the SVG file for the score lines. These lines must be configured by the user as I show below. First, unfold the layers of the template on the right side panel. Then identify the folding lines and change the function from cut to score. Ungroup. Once this is done, we select to layers, the card folder layer, and its score line and attach. Repeat the procedure for the card pocket layer with its score lines. Now this project is ready to be cut. Click on Make. I use the mirror function for cutting. This is optional. I will use the cardstock for intricate cut setting, more in scoring stylus as a tool. Other cutting recommendations are to use 80 pounds cardstock cutting mat with enough grip and make sure your cutting blade is sharp. I use my bone folder. My glue is UHU Universal Glue. Once assembled, this card is 5 by 7 inches in size. Take 0.5x11 or 12 by 12 inch cardstocks are needed to make each trifold pocket card. Thank you for watching our video. Please let us know if you have any questions. Follow us for more content. We are Exodus 31 Designs.